The early hours of March 19, 2025, 3:27 a.m. to be exact, NASA astronaut Sunita Williams along with Butch Wilmore, Nick Hague and Roscosmos cosmonaut Aleksandr Gorbunov splashed down in the Gulf of Mexico off Florida's coast. They are back after a whopping 9 months aboard the International Space Station, part of NASA's SpaceX Crew 9 mission. They landed safely in SpaceX Dragon spacecraft called Freedom, wrapping up a journey that started way back on June 5, 2024. When Williams and Wilmore launched on Boeing Starliner, that was supposed to be a quick 8-day test, but thruster glitches kept them there longer, with Starliner coming back empty in September 2024. The Crew 9 team undocked from the International Space Station at 10:35 a.m. on March 18th, took a 17-hour trip home and splashed down right on time at 3:27 a.m. It's a perfect example of NASA and SpaceX teaming up to bring our astronauts back safely. Now, while we are on the topic of space teamwork, let's zoom out and talk about how NASA collaborates with India's space agency, ISRO, and how ISRO is starting to link up with SpaceX too. I'll walk you through the past, present, and what might be coming next. Let's rewind to October 2022, 2008, when ISRO launched Chandrayaan-1, India's first moon mission. NASA chipped in with two key instruments. One to map the lunar surface and another that helped confirm water on the moon. Pretty groundbreaking stuff. Then on November 5, 2013, ISRO's Mars orbiter mission, Mangalyaan, blasted off. NASA's Deep Space Network tracked it, helping India nail its first Mars shot. These were big wins for both the teams. NASA and ISRO are deep into the Nizar mission, short for NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar. Signed off on September 30, 2014, this satellite's got NASA's L-band radar and ISRO's S-band radar all set to launch later this year from India. It's built to watch Earth's climate and disasters, and it's fully assembled as we speak. Plus, since October 2024, NASA has been training two ISRO astronauts, Subhanshu Shukla and Prashant Balakrishnan Nair, for the Axiom 4 mission to the International Space Station. They wrapped up initially training by December 2024, getting ready to ride SpaceX Dragon up there. Now what's next? There's a talk of joint Mars mission based on a 2014 agreement, and maybe NASA helping ISRO with its own space station by 2035. Nothing's logged in yet, but the possibilities are exciting until recently. ISRO and SpaceX didn't really team up. ISRO had its own rockets and SpaceX was busy with its commercial gigs, no crossover until 2024. Here's where it gets interesting. On November 18, 2024 at 4:07 a.m., SpaceX Falcon 9 launched ISRO's GSAT-N2 satellite from Florida. This 4,700 kg beast was too heavy for ISRO's biggest rocket, so SpaceX stepped in, boosting India's broadband game. Also, those ISRO astronauts training for AX-4 since August 2024, they are working with SpaceX Dragon through NASA's setup. A cool indirect link. Looking ahead, ISRO's cooking up a reusable rocket, the NGLV, and might swap notes with SpaceX. The reusability champs. More launches like GSAT-N2 could happen if ISRO needs the extra lift, and who knows, maybe Lunar or Mars mission together down the road. As of today, March 19, 2025, it's all potential, but the door's open. So from Sunita Williams touching down Earth to NASA and ISRO's long history and ISRO's fresh start with SpaceX, it's a wild, connected world up there in space. Any questions, please do drop them in the comments, and if anything I have missed, please do enlighten me, and don't forget to subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.